How to make playlist in YouTube Music app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make playlist in YouTube Music. To make a playlist in YouTube Music, first of all, open your YouTube Music application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here now, you will need to tap on the library icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to this page. Here you will need to tap on this plus or the new button at the right bottom below. Once you tap on it, now here select the option playlist from the pop-up at the bottom. Now a pop-up will appear on your screen. Here you will need to enter a title and description for your playlist. Simply tap on the title field and there type in your title. Now tap on the description box and there type in the description of your playlist. Once after entering your description and the title, now if you want to make this playlist public, you can leave it as default. But if you'd like to keep it secret or private, you can simply tap on this public option and then scroll a bit down. There you'll be able to see the private option. Simply tap on it and then it will be set to private. Now once after doing that, tap on this create button in this pop-up. Once you do so, you will see you have successfully created playlist in YouTube Music. Now you can add songs to your playlist. Simply tap on this plus button that says add a song and then search for the song. Once you find the song, simply tap on it and then a pop-up will appear. Here you will be able to see add to playlist option. Simply tap on it and then you'll be able to add this song to your playlist. So this is how you can create or make playlist in YouTube Music. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.